Here's the savory way to make your own Asian chicken burgers. Remove the leaves from the mint. Cut the green onions into rings and the lettuce into strips. Cut the cucumber and radishes into slices. Toast the sesame seeds in a frying pan without oil or butter for 3 minutes until golden. Let cool on a plate. Zest the lime and then juice. Chop half the mint and half the cilantro. Save the rest for garnish. Mix the ground meat with the sesame seeds, mint, cilantro, cornstarch, lime zest, and half the green onions. Add pepper and salt in moderation. Using wet hands, form the ground meat mixture into 4 patties. Mix the mayonnaise with the remaining green onions. Add lime juice, pepper and salt to taste. Heat the grill pan, half the baguettes, and place cut side down in the pan for 30 seconds. Grill the chicken burgers for 6 to 8 minutes. Flip regularly. Pile chopped lettuce on bottom half of the baguette. Top with a burger, cucumber, radish, lime mayonnaise, and remaining herbs. And there you have it! Fresh, savory, and delicious Asian chicken burgers.